Hi guys. Okay, we are here once again to translate some English words to Igbo. So today we're going to be doing words, not sentence. So stay tuned and see who is getting it right or wrong. All right, I'm starting with Neto Chuku. Neto Chuku, what is eyes in Igbo?
Anya.
Anya, all right. Kansuya Chuku, what is face in Igbo?
Iru.
Ilu.
Iru.
Okay. Chimziterem, what is heart in Igbo?
Heart. Like your heart.
Yeah. Like something is a heart.
Heart.
Yeah.
Oku.
Oku. Good. Neto Chuku.
Yes, ma'am.
What is clothes in Igbo?
Aqua.
Aqua. MCO Chuku.
Yes, ma'am.
What is eyeglass in Igbo?
Boanya. Boanya.
Bogini.
Boanya.
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 Ugoanya.
Yeah.
Ugogbe anya.
Boanya.
Chimziterem, what is mirror in Igbo?
Nene.
Pardon?
Nene.
Mirror in Igbo is nene. Nene. It's actually enyo. Enyo. Neto Chuku, what is couch in Igbo?
Nolu.
Eh?
Nolu.
Neto, couch in Igbo
Yes.
is what?
Nolu.
Nnolu. What about chair?
Nti.
Hey. Chineke. Kamsiyo Chuku,
Yes, ma'am.
what is couch in Igbo?
Oche.
Oche. Chimziterem,
Yes, ma'am.
what is clothes in Igbo?
Cloth. Aqua.
Aqua. Neto Chuku,
Yes, ma'am.
what is pot in Igbo?
Inaseni.
Iyi na sieni. Kamsiyo Chuku, what is pot in Igbo? Ite. Chimziterem, what is spoon in Igbo? Ngaji. Neto Chuku,
Yes, ma'am.
what is plate in Igbo?
Efele.
Efele. Kamsiyo Chuku, what is TV in Igbo? Ife onyonyo. Chimziterem,
Yes, ma'am.
what is phone in Igbo?
Uno unti.
Eh?
Uno unti.
Ụnọ ntị. Hi. Kamsiyo Chuku,
Yes, ma'am.
what is phone in Igbo?
Ifo.
Phone. The phone we're using to make call. What is phone in Igbo, Kamsi? Neto Chuku, what is phone in Igbo? Nene pụanya ebe ahụ. Phone is ekwenchi. Ekwenchi. Neto Chuku, what is light in Igbo? This light, our light. Zita, if I don't ask you a question, please don't answer again. What is light in Igbo, Neto? Nkonko. But light in Igbo. Okay, can see what is light in Igbo? Oku. Neto Chuku, what is water in Igbo? Water. Miri. Chimziterem,
Yes, ma'am.
what is money in Igbo? Ego. Kamsiyo Chuku,
Yes, ma'am.
what is car in Igbo? What is car in Igbo? Iyi megin. Iyi na anya. Zite, what is car in Igbo? Inya. Neto Chuku, what is car in Igbo? Ife. Okay, it's actually ụgbọala. Neto Chuku, what is door in Igbo? Ụzọ. Ọnụ ụzọ or ụzọ, yeah. Kamsiyo Chuku, what is house in Igbo? Ụnọ. Chimziterem, what is ear in Igbo?
Ntị.
Ntị. Nedochukwu,
Yes, ma'am.
what is head in Igbo?
Isi.
Isi. Kamsiyochukwu,
Yes, ma'am.
what is laugh in Igbo?
Ọchị.
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 Nedochukwu,
Yes, ma'am.
what is leg in Igbo?
Ọpa.
Ọpa. Chimziterem,
Yes, ma'am.
what is mouth in Igbo?
Ọnụ.
Ọnụ. Kamsiyochukwu,
Yes, ma'am.
what is body in Igbo?
Arụ gị.
Arụ gị. Chimziterem,
Yes, ma'am.
what is red in Igbo?
Mmemme.
Mmemme. Nedochukwu,
Yes, ma'am.
what is food in Igbo?
Nni.
Nni. Clap for yourselves. Nwakene ndị be anyị.
Ndị be ndewo.
Ndewo.